Good morning, nice to see you on 31st of October 2020 in the middle of a global pandemic. Looks like we're going to go back into lockdown again soon, but today I'm going to spend the day in my cabin. I'll show you some of the pictures and things I do in there. So there's my cabin down there. I'm going to put you on pause while I go down the steps because I don't want to end up in A&E again. Made it safely down the steps, so I'm going to walk backwards down the garden. That's really safe, isn't it? So there's my cabin. That was finished in February when my builder Gina put the porch on the front there. I was hoping I'd be able to turn it around, but I can't do that. So let's go on in. Here we go, welcome to my cabin. See those windows there? They come out of a yacht. So I got them from the local marina free. Lovely. Yeah, I know they need cleaning, yeah. Right, so the fire's on. Try and give you a look around without getting in the shot because I haven't worked out how to turn it round. So there's my work table. This is where I run my workshops as well. Some of the pictures I'm working on. Lindsay, that's your one there. And pan around and you can have a look at the other side. Got a nice light roof there, so there's always lots of daylight coming in. I haven't got any electricity in here. There's my Christmas stocking. So I made that on TV, Kirsty's Christmas Crafts on Channel 4. And under that, I'm really proud of that. I got the first prize at the Nairn show. I've got it twice actually. I need to do it again so I get a hat trick. And then at the other end of the cabin, I've got the bed. I meant to take the plastic bag off so it looks nice. A little bit of shelving there, a bit untidy. And lovely, cosy wood burner to keep me warm today. There we go.